Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 and I'm gonna show you how to record this slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera. One of this is the slow motion mode, so when we pick this we can start recording the slow motion video by using this big red button. We can also change the speed of the slow motion by going to this button, the second from the left. When we pick this, we get access to this slider and we can pick the speed from 120 fps to 140 fps to 480 fps or 960 fps. So this is how to manage this. Now let me stay for example on 120 fps and let me start recording the slow motion video to show you how it works. Now stop. And let's move here to the left corner at the bottom. When we tap on this icon, we get quick access to the gallery and we can see our video. So this is really slow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.